What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing a maintenance on my buddy's Toyota Altis, and at the moment it really looks very dirty, so check this out. Insane amount of stains and dirt and contamination on the paint. So I coated this car about a year ago, and this is the first time I'm doing the maintenance on the car. The reason being is because my friend works in Singapore and he's not often back in Malaysia. So happened that this weekend I'm free and he's here, so that is why I'm doing the maintenance on his car today. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll cue you guys into the cinematic. Yo guys, I'm done with the Altis. So the car had crazy amount of stains, tar spots, and I think the routine car wash is not sufficient, because I think it looks like it's a 1 month one wash kind of situation, because the stains are really etched into the coat. So it took me quite a lot of effort to remove the stains, and removing those stains had caused some kind of damages on the coating as well. So if you guys coated your car with me or not done by me, you guys really got to wash your cars, because if you don't wash, the stains, the grime, the acid rain, it will just eat into the coat, and you will be just wasting your money. So remember guys to wash your car. So I'm just going to end the video here, because it's going to be just a short maintenance video. So like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button on the right side of the subscribe button, and I will see you guys soon.